Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Today's lesson, you can definitely see it's a girl kicking in the air because she's a karate expert. I don't know what color belt she is because it's still white. Maybe she is, or maybe she's a black belt. Don't know. Well, my kids at a younger age actually took karates, and these little characters I've created many times for their school and little promotion from time to time. So being an artist is really fun because you can help a business and enjoy watching your kids kick around some boards and knocking over some people, all in good fun. Anyway, so if you like karate, I think this lesson might be just up your alley. And here's a little tip. You know what you can do? Take a picture of somebody in a karate pose and turn that into your style. That's exactly what I did with this pose. So, if you have a pencil and a paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.